Hello from the UK. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. So as some of you may know, I recently bought a DR8. Watch out, we got a really good video coming on this actually. We're going to do a stunt with it that is probably not very sensible. Anyway, that's not what you're here for. You're here for this. Now, I'm not going to make a big deal out of this, guys, because it really is just a matter of buying the kit. If any of you have bought a DR8, you'll know that the straps that come with it, they're less than adequate. I think that's probably the kindest I can be. So I snapped one of these during our torture test. And yeah, just they're crap. But if you follow the link below the video, you'll find these. They are available in multiple widths and lengths so that you can buy them. They come with these little tapered plastic, I think this is called a cleat. So you measure, where's mine? I'm ever so organised. It's easy for me to just drag the DR8 up and show you. So I replaced the ones on the DR8. I gave them much more length, and now when I strap the batteries down, it goes through there and sticks to itself. And I tried to pull these apart, guys, myself. I actually tried as hard as I could to pull them apart, and I just couldn't do it. You might be stronger than me. You might actually be able to do it, but I promise you I gave it everything I've got and I couldn't. You cut a strip to length. Let's just copy the old strap. So if you're going to do it like this, you have to do the old strap plus a bit to fold it over. You literally cut it. Throw that crappy strap out of the way. You put the cleat through, if that's what it's called, this little plastic piece, and you fold it out. You fold it over, like so. And then, I'm not going to do it because you guys have got other things to do, or your lady's got things for you to do, and you glue in there. You don't need to, but this is my belt and braces version. So you put some glue in there while it's hot and sloppy, like things we like. Yeah, so while it's hot and sloppy, you do that, and then you put it through. On mine, I have actually got quite a bit of length left over. And then once that's together and that is screwed up, I promise you I'm giving that everything I've got there, guys. Super simple. The link to this particular one for the DR8 is going to be in the description box below the video. That is another super quick tip from RC Daddy Reviews. And don't forget, guys, you out there, no matter the question, love is always the answer. Bye for now.